as we finish up our install, one of the last things that we have to do is install a new chemical pump. That's the Unidose pump you see right here. It gets powered up by the pump start relay when the pump gets turned on. Let me get it installed, and hopefully this thing will shut off and you'll be able to hear me explain how I installed it. There's the new Unidose pump installed. And yeah, we do have to run the wire out of the pump and into the pump start relay. The reason why we do that is when that Rachio controller turns on that relay to turn on that pump, it's also going to turn on the little pump that's going to pump the chemicals into the system to cut down on the rust staining at this house, because this is a well system. I'm getting ready to wire up this additional valve, the Irritrol valve you see right there. And I did find a red and a black wire in addition to the rest of the wires in the manifold. But when I went over to the Rachio controller, I don't see the red and black wire. I see a separate red and yellow wire until I take apart the controller and somebody taped the extra wires up into the back where you can't even see them. Had I not taken this apart, I wouldn't have found those.